Are you done playing around?
Hi, Teacher Bagheera. How are you doing today?
Oh, you just reached adulthood and think you are grown up already? Being naughty, making trouble, and not listening to us?
Actually, I've been like this since I was a child. Wait, adulthood? Wolves reach adulthood at 10 years old, and today is their 10th birthday. Does this mean graduating? I don't need to attend classes anymore?
No, you still need to pass the graduation test.
Whatever.
Surprise! Happy birthday, Mowgli.
Darling, don't just stand around being excited. Today is Mowgli's 10th birthday. Aren't you worried about what will happen during his graduation test?
There's no need to worry. Bagheera is very strict. He won't let Mowgli have it the easy way.
Surprise, surprise! It's me in the wolf's den. You two search the place.
Yes, sir.
Shere Khan?
How dare you come here? What do you want?
Is Mowgli here? Have some sense and turn him over.
According to the law of the jungle, you must respect all animals of the jungle. You cannot enter wolf territory without prior notice. Your behavior will frighten all the animals around us.
Stop babbling and turn him over.
We won't turn him over to you.
Mowgli is human. Humans are the ones destroying the jungle. They're becoming more and more active recently, pushing us into a corner. All this is because you are unwilling to fight back and brought on by you raising a human child. I've been putting up with it for 10 years. Recently, the humans moved onto my land, and it must have something to do with Mowgli. I must get rid of him.
He may not be related by blood, but he is still my child and a child of the jungle.
Human children cannot live together with jungle animals. Give him to me.
Boss, we don't see him.
You may have gotten away with it this time, but I'll be back.
Mowgli, if you pass a hive with thousands of bees, what should you do?
I would politely greet them. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Crouch low and run.
If you accidentally wake a napping bat, what should you do?
cover my ears and say, "Sorry for disturbing your dreams. May the sun never disturb your eyes."
Mowgli, there is a river before you. Before jumping in, what must you do?
Take a tree branch and draw a circle in the water once, and then twice, and then jump. This way, I won't scare Mrs. Water Snake.
Last question. Mowgli, if you encounter danger, how will you ask the other animals for help?
I will say the jungle password.
Password! You and I, we are friends, we are one!
That's great, Mowgli. You scored 100.
Yay, I passed the test! I'm an adult now!
Mowgli, the law of the jungle is not just about rules. It's about respect. Like day
Is followed by night,
how a rainstorm,
is followed by a rainbow,
how a withered flower,
is followed by a sweet apple.
sleeping and waking in balance. Choosing foods, how to avoid danger. The law of the jungle tells us that in nature, billions of lives work in harmony.
And just like that, he sent a thought I never thought I would see this day.
Can you blame me for doing this? When I hardly begged for a kiss, my heart just melted.
Oh, really?
It's true, my heart just melted through and through. Look at him, look at this boy. He's got no teeth nor claws. He can't climb, he can chew, or fly, or flex his jaws. Shere Khan the Great will eat you up for dinner at 8. And call that big fella in snake she'll be waiting in the trees, telling you that she just ate. And we're in the jungle, the big dark dangerous jungle. We're in the jungle, where everywhere there's trouble. And we're in the jungle, the big dark dangerous jungle. We're in the jungle, where everywhere there's trouble. Where fast things coming double, where at every turn there's trouble.
That area is... Baloo, take Mowgli home quickly. I'll go find out what's going on.
Kathleen! Kathleen! Kathleen!
Look! What is this?
Notification from the Jungle Research Program application. Do you want to know the answer?
Yes! Open it for me.
Dear Dr. Shelley, regarding your research plan, the result of our review is...
What is it? Tell me.
It passed!
Really? Yay! Though my team has received permission to enter the jungle, our plan requires us to climb mountains. Without your help, we can't do it. That's why I came to you first.
Where are you going? Are you trying to make things difficult for me?
You have a connection to this place. No one wants to go there more than you.
You're right.
Is Shere Khan gone? If Mowgli runs into him on his way home, what should we do?
It will be fine. They are struggling to survive themselves, probably searching everywhere for food. I'm more concerned how you will tell Mowgli about this later. He's an adult now. Whether he goes or stays is a problem we will need to face sooner or later.
I thought we could celebrate his 10th birthday today. Who would have thought that he would have to face a bad problem this quickly?
Mom! Dad! Mom! Dad! Mom! Dad! I passed!
You passed the test?
Yes, and I passed with flying colors. Right, Baloo?
Yes, he knows the law of the jungle like the back of his hand.
I could answer all of Bagheera's questions.
Mowgli, you are such a good boy.
Wow! Mom, Dad, I'm so touched. We will finally get to eat pork. This is a real birthday feast.
We still haven't caught one. This is vegetarian pork.
Hey, it tastes good. Come, make a wish. After your birthday, you will be a full-on adult.
My wish is that this year we will be able to eat real pork.
Yay!
Wait, Teacher Bagheera is not here yet. Can we wait for him to arrive before we start?
We can't wait.
Right, we can't wait. Everybody is hungry. We don't need to wait for him.
Mowgli, we need to hurry up. After the party, you need to leave.
Leave? Why?
Right, why is there no honey dip? I have some. I'll go get it.
We've been both looking forward to and fearing this day because we are, in fact, different. You must return to the world of humans.
No, I am a wolf.
You may think so, but you cannot, for your own safety. You can't just decide what you are and have it be so. If you stay, you will be in unthinkable danger.
Danger? Even if there's danger, you can protect me.
Mowgli, you are 10 now. We are old. We are becoming weaker and weaker and cannot run fast anymore. We may not be able to protect you any longer.
Then there's still Bagheera. He can protect me.
Bagheera cannot protect you either, because Shere Khan is here.
Who is Shere Khan?
He is a tiger, the fiercest animal in the jungle, and he has returned. If Shere Khan spots you, there is no escape.
Shere Khan may not be interested in us old folks, but he will definitely not let a human boy get away. Mowgli, father and mother can no longer protect you and wish for you to go to the human village to hide.
No, I will not leave. This is my home. I'm grown up. I'm not afraid of Shere Khan.
Mowgli, my brave child, it is just for now.
The fallen tree by the river is where Shere Khan lives. It's already been destroyed by humans and he cannot find food. This is why Shere Khan has returned.
If this continues, not only will Shere Khan go hungry, but we shall starve as well. Mowgli, we need you to tell the humans that we are no longer able to survive like this.
Child, listen to your parents. Befriend the humans and change their ways. Mowgli, you can do it. You are our best student and our last hope. This is your destiny.
Mowgli, remember, the jungle will always live on in your heart.
Child, finish eating quickly and head towards the human village.
No, I am an animal, a wolf. I don't want to go to the human village. I want to stay in the jungle forever.
Mowgli!
How can this be? What did I do? Why am I blamed for what I didn't do? I am human, but I'm an animal too. I'm a little bit of both, and that's the truth. I'm Mowgli, I'm an animal, but a person too. I'm Mowgli, it's not funny what they're asking me to do.
Well, look who's here. A human or a wolf?
Python Ka.
Hi.
Baloo said Ka is always up to something, and if I should meet her, I need to say goodbye. So, goodbye.
Has he not told you Ka is a master problem solver?
No, I don't have any problems. Goodbye, Ka.
I can see you have questions about human, and I happen to know something. I can see everything, even what you are thinking in your little head.
Then you have seen humans? Not me, I mean other humans.
But of course, look deep into my eyes. I can help you find out whether you are human or animal. Humans are so interesting. If you ask me, they are delicious. They fall right into my trap with no effort.
Shirley, look at that child.
Be careful. That snake is venomous. Wake up! Wake up! Are you alright? How long has this child been in the jungle? Where are his parents?
Hey kid, can you hear me? Wake up! Wake up! Hey!
This feeling is so calming and peaceful. Am I dead? Am I in heaven?
Hey kid, can you hear me? Wake up!
Who are they?
Wake up!
Hey,
Why
wake
can't
up.
I understand
What should we
them?
do?
I don't
That's
know.
right. Wasn't Ka going to help me out with my problems? Why do I see humans? Is this the
Wake
answer?
Hey! Hello, little friend. My name is Kathleen.
The Beast Company. Our goal is to make money. We always keep busy all day long and rarely have much time to play. Left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. Woo! We sit around just counting money. We get that look like we're hungry. Oh, look over here. This is a lot of cash. This is what we want to amass.
Left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right. You know we are beasts among humans. The only thing we see is money. This beast only knows to pursue fortune. It's great to be a beast, 'cause our hunger for money will never cease. It's great to be a beast, it's what I prefer, 'cause our hunger for money will never cease. Left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right.
Welcome everybody to Wild Beast International Mountain Forestry Development Company. We are well prepared, full of ambition, as brave as a beast, and working hard for the bright future of mankind. Everybody, say the slogan with me. Progress is not a crime. Long live wild beast.
Progress is not a crime. Long live wild beast.
Everybody, report on your progress.
The fallen leaves have been chemically cleared away. The jungle floor is as clean as a mirror.
Well done.
The jungle has been surrounded by ropes and steel nets. Both native and migratory birds are all trapped inside.
Excellent.
Electric nets have been set up in the ponds. Big fish, small fish, any fish are all belly up now.
Excellent. I am not greedy and don't pursue fame and fortune. I have but one dream, and that is to turn the jungle into a home, so everybody can come here and sunbathe.
Boss, the test run with the saw was really good. Should we plan to chop down the trees now?
Wait, boss. We haven't received permission to start yet. Can we start chopping trees now?
Boss, we discovered some drone cameras. They might be from reporters spying on us.
Drone cameras? Do I look like a dishonest profiteer? Well, I can't let this image go to waste. So, I really am a dishonest profiteer. Cut down the trees. Not only will it clear the land, we can use the wood to build houses later. So we take from the forest and use it for our benefit. We'll be setting out and bringing back rewards.
Progress is not a crime. Long live wild beast.
Sha!
Still thinking about that child?
How old do you think he is?
Let it go.
I can't stop thinking about him.
No matter how many times I tell you, you stay the same. I can't do anything about it. This must be a mother's heart. M is for the million things she gave me. O means only that she's growing old. T is for the tears she shed to save me. H is for her heart of purest gold. E is for her eyes with love light shining. R is what is she will always be. Put them all together, they spell mother, a word that means the world to me.
Are these humans?
These are human footprints. They are the ones destroying the jungle.
Human?
Be careful. Stay far away from those monsters. We follow the law of the jungle, but they do not.
Not only do they harm animals, they also chop down trees. All the trees at the edge of the jungle are gone now.
But I am also human. Am I a monster too?
Human? No, you are not. Well, you are a human, but you are different. Because you don't use the red flower.
The red flower? You mean the thing that turns the jungle into black ash?
The red flower is scary.
Mowgli, I hope you won't be like them and harm animals. Remember, nature is our mother. Don't forget, you and I are good friends.
They seem to be different from what Bagheera described. searched the entire jungle and anywhere Mowgli might have gone, but we can't find him.
No, we must find Mowgli and guide him to the human village.
We've been following you for a long time. Did you think you could escape from us?
Of course. My teacher Bagheera said I'm the fastest in the jungle.
How good of a teacher could a leopard possibly be? I am a tiger.
Little tiger, run so fast, run so fast. Where are you going? Where are you going? Let me know, let me know.
Human, how much disaster have you brought us? I'll make you pay.
I am not human. I am a wolf.
Silence. Your pay was your life.
Bagheera, go save him!
Look closely. The enemy is Shere Khan.
I'm warning you. Don't get any closer.
Roar! You're so easily defeated. How boring. Roar!
Humans!
Kids, I'll let you go this time. But until the next time we meet.
Bye bye.
Oh no, the child is injured!
We must take him back to the village for medical attention.
He's howling like he's trying to say something.
I don't know what he's trying to say, but we need to save him fast. Help me hold him up.
Mowgli has been taken away by humans. Shall we go save him?
This is actually for the best. If he stays in the jungle while injured, he might not make it. But the humans at the village can protect him from Shere Khan.
I don't want to leave. The jungle is my home. I don't want to leave. The jungle is my home. I don't want to leave.
How can this be? What did I do? Why am I blamed for what I didn't do? I am human, but I'm an animal too. I'm a little bit of both, and that's the truth. I'm